Okay guys, so fold your fabric down in half. Keep your folded side to the right and the open side to the left. Once you have that folded, come up to the top and you're going to fold it down again. So this is folded down and across. You fold 2 times. Place your pattern down. Okay, this one gonna work. I can tell now because the way it's folded. Once it's let out, it's gonna be full. So yes, fold in half. Once you have it folded, have your folded side to the right, open side to the left. And you can see what I mean here. And from there, take your top half, pull it down, fold again. And you can take this up some. This is uneven, which is the only reason why I'm leaving so much down at the bottom. But if this were an even cut, then you will pull it up to match right the few inches below your pattern. And from there, you weigh it down and cut, and you should end up with something like this. What's the matter, dog? Once you unravel, this is what you should be left with. Now you have a complete full circle. Repeat that to each side. And that is the base of your bonnet.